Hey there, food enthusiasts. Today, we're about to embark on a culinary journey to create something truly special in the comfort of your own kitchen: tasty ginger chicken and green bean noodles. This dish is not just delicious, it's a taste of pure happiness. Let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need. 1/2 tablespoon of vegetable oil. 2 skinless chicken breasts, sliced. 200 grams of green beans, trimmed and halved crosswise. A thumb-sized piece of ginger, peeled and cut into matchsticks. 2 garlic cloves, sliced. 1 ball of stem ginger, finely sliced, plus 1 teaspoon of syrup from the jar. 1 teaspoon of cornflour, mixed with 1 tablespoon of water. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, plus extra to serve, optional. 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. 200 grams of cooked egg noodles. Step 1, we're kicking things off by heating up the wok with a touch of vegetable oil over high heat. Now, let's stir-fry those chicken slices for a mouth-watering 5 minutes. Next, toss in the green beans and stir-fry for an additional 4 to 5 minutes. We're looking for that sweet spot where the green beans are just tender, and the chicken is perfectly cooked through. Step 2, time to infuse some incredible flavors. Add fresh ginger and garlic, and let them sizzle for a delightful 2 minutes. Now, introduce the star of the show, the stem ginger and its sweet syrup. Also, pour in that magical cornflour mix, soy sauce, and rice vinegar. Stir-fry for 1 more minute, and then it's time to unite all these amazing elements. Toss in your cooked egg noodles, and let the symphony of flavors dance together until everything is piping hot and that delectable sauce coats every inch of those noodles. As a final touch, feel free to drizzle a little extra soy sauce if that's your jam. This dish is not just a treat for your taste buds, it's a healthy, happy note to end your day on. So go ahead, serve it up, and enjoy this delicious ginger chicken and green bean noodles creation. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Healthy Food, Healthy Mind for more such easy to make interesting healthy recipes.